Hope you all are doing great. So many times we have seen in our projects there is a need of date selection, or we have to give an option of date selection in our projects. Here Angular Material comes up with a great solution, that is Material Date Picker. In this tutorial we will see how we can implement Mat Date Picker in our project with few simple steps. You too be able to add Mat Date Picker into your Angular project. So let's get started. I have created a my project demo folder into my desktop. I have opened that folder into my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I am going to initialize my Angular project by running command ng new, whatever your project name. I am going to give mat date picker demo. Now we don't need routing into this project. Press N and enter. I'm going to take SCSS, press enter. It will take time, so I am skipping this video. Now our project got created successfully. We can see the folder mat date picker demo here, and the related files which will be needed into running this application are here. Okay, so we can check by ngserve that our project is created correctly or not. Okay, so first of all we have to go into mat date picker demo folder, then we have to run command ngserve and go to your browser, press localhost :4200. You can be able to see once it will be served. Now it got served, and here we can see our application mat date picker demo app is running. Okay, so we have created our Angular project successfully. The second step is we have to add date picker. How we can implement this, because it comes up with a material. So first of all we have to add Angular material into our project. So we are going to add Angular materials into our project by running command ng add at angular /material. Now it will ask some questions there to specify materials, whatever material specification you want to add into your project. You have to specify it. So we don't need any kind of specification, because we are creating a simple demo mat date picker app. So whatever it will ask, simply press enter. Now the related packages it will going to install. It is installing related packages, so maybe it will take some time depending on your bandwidth speed. Now it's got created, and you can check it into your package.json that new material here at angular /material of 10.2.7 is added into my project. You can also check that it got added into your project or not. Now I am going to ngserve again. Okay, it's running our app. So it compiled successfully. Now the next step is we have to add mat date picker module. We can check the docs of Angular material mat date picker by going to this website or material.angular.io/component/date picker API. Overview, you can check the overview of this date picker API. In API section, we are going to check the API references for Angular material date picker. This line we have to add into our app module TS file. I'm going to add this into our app module TS file, and also we are going to import this mat date picker module. We are going to add mat date picker module into imports array. Yes, so this step is very important. If you are not going to do this, you will encounter some errors. By doing this, you can resolve that errors. I'm going to save this. So it is getting saved. Let's see what happened. Okay, so this error is coming. So you can resolve this error by quitting the current terminal and again doing ngserv. We will resolve this error. Now it got resolved, and whatever. Okay, so mat date picker module we have added. So how we can? So first of, I'm going to clean this app component HTML file, because we are going to add the date picker demo code into this HTML file. The code examples we can take from this official docs of Angular materials. Suppose we are going to add this simple calendar with choose a date, this kind of input field. So we can take this code snippet from this website. We are going to copy it. I'm going to paste it and save it. Okay, so one more thing, if you are using mat form field, you have to import the form input module into your app component HTML file, app module TS file. Also, if we are adding mat input into our input field, so this is also a materials input, so we have to import the corresponding modules for these two things. So I am going to add mat input module, and this module, I'm going to import this mat input module from @angular/material/input. Now mat input module got imported. One more thing, we have used mat form field, so also we have to add mat form field module, and it got auto imported. Now we can check our app. So here we can see the mat label, choose a date, and also an input field. But it is different from the official doc. Okay, so we are getting some errors, I think, because if you check console, yes, we are getting errors that mat native date module is provide a custom implementation. Okay, so we are getting this error. One more thing we have to add into our app module TS file, that is mat native date module, and it will be auto imported. Now we can see The error got resolved and our field is just like the official docs input field. We have this button. Now I'm going to click on this button. Yes, this code works and we can get this calendar. I'm going to pick a date. It's working. We can change whatever time, whatever date we want to select. Now we have implemented this calendar and mat date picker into this app perfectly, but one more thing I want to add, that we need these selections into our TS file so that we can process for further requests or further actions. So one more thing, we can add date change event binding. Suppose here you can give a function like I'm going to give date changed. We have to pass $sign event, and also I'm going to get it into app component TS file here. Now I'm simply logging this field $sign event dot target dot value. Now we can get the selected values into our TS file by doing simple steps, by doing these simple steps. Okay, so we have logged. Now I'm going to select, yes, we have got the date we have selected into calendar. I'm going to change it. It is going to change. Okay, you can simply see the changed values are getting logged into console. Whatever you are going to select, it is going to console log. Here you can see it. So this is a simple example of mat date picker, how we can implement this mat date picker into our Angular project. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For any suggestions, please do comment, and if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.